Okay, so after the camera is on, you can see this is how the camera will look like. And in here, I'm going to show you some of the feature on the Varlens app. Here, this is the shutter button. You can start taking a picture by clicking on this white button, and also you can tag a video. So if you want to take a photo or change it into video, just do it in here. And in here, if you click on the arrow up, you can see the other apps by the Varlens apps. In here, you can change the format if you want to. This is the ratio, full, 16:9, 4:3, 3:2. You can just select which one that you want, the size or the frame. Here you can also change the focus or the zoom of the camera. You can just hit, this is the 28 millimeter, 35, 50, and 27. So for this one, this is the mode. There are 5 modes that you can select in a Varlens: auto, time-lapse, light trail, program, and manual. But these two are pro, so you need to join the Varlens Pro first before you can use that. In here at the left panel, you can see the library. In here you can see the settings. You can see the photographer's signature. You can set the focus, sound, mirror, front camera. Here you can adjust the settings of the camera in there. And if you want to add filter, you can just click on the filter icon at the bottom. And there are lots of filter that you can use. So you can see, I think the filter is quite good, and there are lots of vintage vibe filter that you can use. There's also a preset, and also you can change the line. This is default and this is anamorphic. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.